Good morning, everyone. So, in this class, we are going to discuss the problems related to AA similarity criteria, SSS similarity criteria, and SAS similarity criteria. Yesterday we discussed, no? So what we discussed yesterday, we discussed the criteria for similarity of a triangle. So first criteria is AA similarity criteria. Second criteria is SSS similarity criteria. And third one is SAS similarity criteria. So I told you in the last class, the theorems related to SSS similarity criteria and SAS similarity criteria. Only theorem related to SSS and SAS similarity criteria excluded. But the problems you have to work out because you got the definition of SSS similarity criteria and SAS similarity criteria. Only theorem part excluded, but you have to apply that similarity criteria for the problem. The problems parts are not excluded. So you all know how to apply that one. So let us recall the definitions for AAA criteria, SSS criteria and SAS similarity criteria. Okay. So now the question for yes, Karthik Hegde. Karthik Hegde? Yes, can you define AA similarity criteria, Karthik?
Three angles of a triangle are equal to the three angles of another triangle. So they are said to be congruent.
Congruent?
Equal.
Congruent or what? Congruent?
Much similar.
Yeah, similar. So, three corresponding angles of one triangle. Okay. So, three angles of one triangle are equal to three angles of the other triangles. That angles must be corresponding angles, Karthik. Okay. So, then we can say that the two triangles are similar. This is called as AA similarity criteria. Yes, next I need the definition of yes. Sneha V. Hegde. Neha V. Hegde.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Neha V. Hegde. What is the definition of yes similarity criteria?
In two triangles, if their corresponding sides are in proportion, then they are equiangular, then side.
Very good. I got the answer. If in two triangles, the corresponding sides are in proportion, then they are equiangular, then the two triangles are said to be similar. This is called yes similarity criteria. Okay, so next one is SAS similarity criteria. For that, I need the answer from Sahana Shetty. Sahana? Sahana Shetty?
In two triangles, if two pairs of corresponding sides are proportional and the included are equal, then two triangles are equiangular.
Okay, Sahana. Correct answer. In two triangles.
19.
Huh?
27.
27. Yes, students. See, Sahana gave the answer for SAS similarity criterion of triangles. That is, in two triangles, if any two corresponding sides are in proportion and the included angle are equal, included angles are equal, then the two triangles are said to be similar according to SAS similarity criteria. Okay, so this is about the criteria for the similarity of triangles. In that yesterday we got the proof of AAA similarity criteria, how it is true. Actually, so we cannot accept the statement like axioms or postulates, no? So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು two triangles are set to similar if three angles are equal ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we need the proof. So proof party hoitu antandre it is in the form of theorem. So yesterday we discussed the theorem, that is AA similarity criterion theorem. So similarly you have the SSS similarity criterion theorem and SAA similarity criterion theorem, but for this year so the syllabus is excluded, that two theorems excluded. Okay, so that's why only the definition, with the help of the definition, today we are going to discuss the few example problems related to AA similarity criteria. Then based on that example problems, you have to work out the exercise problem. See, exercise problem is for you only. So you have to work out by yourself without the help of old notes or reference book, because if you are able to solve the exercise part independently, then so your knowledge, okay, so you have got the clear, we can say that you have got the clear picture of the concept. Okay, so that's why, so just try to solve the problems by yourself. Don't wait for Mataji when you will send the solutions for that exercise, third exercise. Okay, don't wait for me. You just try to solve the problems by yourself. Apply your knowledge, whatever you are listening in the video class now, online class. So you just keep it in mind, practice the theorems properly, then apply the properties for the exercise problem. Okay, so for some problems I think you may get confused. That type of problem you can wait for the solution, or you can ask with me, or you can discuss with your friends. But whatever the remaining part, easy parts and all, no, so you just try to work out by yourself. Okay, so I think many students, they have purchased reference book. How to use the reference book, that you have to decide. Okay, so if you don't know how to use the reference book, see, whatever present in the reference book, don't solve all the problems. So in that, which type of problems we have to solve, that you have to discuss with the teachers. Okay, so then we'll start the class. So today we are going to discuss the example problems related to AA similarity criteria and SSS similarity criteria and SAA similarity criteria. I took the example problems of your textbook only. So here we have example 4. In your textbook you have example 4. See here, example 4, very simple question. So first let us see the question. In the given figure, if, one second. In the given figure, if PQ parallel to RS, prove that. In the given figure, this PQ line is parallel to RS is given. So using this condition, what we have to prove is triangle POQ. This triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR we have to prove. So very simple problem, students. One figure is given. In that figure, one condition, that is PQ parallel to RS condition is given. Using this condition, what we have to do is, so we have to show that triangle POQ is similar to this triangle POQ is similar to this triangle SOR. So whatever, so whenever we have to prove or show something, so we have to start the problem with the given data. Here given is PQ parallel to RS. So given data is PQ parallel to RS. Reason is given. So for every step, reason is very important. Next, angle P which is equal to angle S. Are you observing the Z shape here? So here the lines are parallel. Lines are parallel in the sense we get alternate interior, alternate angles. Okay, then corresponding angles. So here we are observing that alternate Z shape we are observing, that is angle P and angle S. Are you observe? Just observe the cursor here. So this P and S. This P and S are alternate angles. Okay, angle P is equal to angle S. Similarly, the ulta reverse Z shape, that also alternate angle only. This Q which is equal to angle R. Okay, this Q which is equal to angle R, that is also alternate angle. Next, one more thing, whenever this into mark we observe no two lines intersect at one common point, there will get vertically opposite angles. Very, very easy concept, that is angle POQ which is equal to angle ROS. Are you observing this or a vertically opposite angle? Angle POQ which is equal to angle SOR. So vertically opposite angle. See here, observe in a triangle POQ and in a triangle SOR, this angle is equal to this. This angle is equal to this. And this angle is equal to this. All the three angles of this triangle which is equal to three angles of triangle ROS. Can we say that triangle is similar to triangle SOR? Yes, of course. Triangle POQ similar to triangle SOR according to AAA similarity criterion. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎರಡೇ ಡಾಟಾಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ yesterday we discussed no, if two angles of one triangle equal to two angles of other triangle, then according to angle sum property of a triangle, okay, so it is clear that third angle also equal. But here in this figure it is very clear that this is pair of alternate angles. This is also alternate angle vertically. So we are observing that all the three angles of this triangle which is equal to three angles of this triangle. That's why the triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR according to AAA similarity criterion. Okay, now I think you have got the clear picture how to apply the similarity criterion like congruency. Got the idea, no? Okay, so we'll go to next problem. After discussing two or three problems, we'll give the time for doubts. Okay. Anyhow, you are not asking any doubt, no? Yes. Here we have example 5 problem. So is it clear? Yes. Example 5. Observe the figure and then find angle P. Observe the figure. So two figures given in the question. Figure we have to observe. Then using that figure, we have to find angle P. So are you observing? Okay, figure ABC triangle and PQR triangle. Here, what is the data given? AB is 3.8, AC is 3.3, BC is 6. In this triangle, PR is 6 root 3. Then RQ is 7.6. Then PQ which is equal to 12. In first triangle, all the three sides measurement is given, and in the second triangles also all the three sides measurement is given. So next here 80 degree, this angle A is 80 degree, angle B is 60 degree. Okay, only this triangle angle measurement is given, but all the sides measurement is given. So using that one, okay, in a triangle ABC and in a triangle PQR, what we are observing is, see here we can apply some ratio 3.8 and 7.6. So then 3 root 3 and 6 root 3 and 6 divided by 12. By looking the figure only, we can say that here something is the ratio. I think we'll get the equal ratio, no? So yes, AB divided by this RQ. Don't take the figure in the form of AB by PR only, then AC by RQ only, BC by PR only. So you have to take the figure properly. Okay, here. So in a triangle ABC, so AB divided by, I'll take this one RQ. Okay, AB divided by RQ. So that is equal to AB measurement is 3.8. Then divided by RQ measurement is 7.6. After simplification, what you will get? 1 by 2. Now you take this side, BC divided by PQ. If you take BC by PQ, 6 by 12, that is also 1 by 2. Next, one more thing, CA divided by RP, PR. This CA divided by PR, then here you just observe 3 root 3 divided by 6 root 3, where root 3 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 1 by 2. So here what we are observing is ratio Okay, corresponding sides corresponding sides are in proportion. That is AB by RQ, which is equal to BC by QP, that is equal to CA by PR. So from this, so what we can corresponding, if corresponding sides are in proportion, can we say that the two triangles are similar? Yes, according to yes similarity, we can say that the two triangles are similar. Okay, got the idea how to apply SSS? SSS ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೂರು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we can say that it is SSS similarity. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle RQP. So why we need similarity concept? Because we have to find out this angle P, right? Okay, so now angle P ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಈ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನ ನೀವು ಹೇಗ್ ಜೋಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. One second, some students are waiting in the lobby. We'll admit. Preeti, what is that message? Preeti?
Machi can't see. Scroll downwards, Machi. Solution.
Solution.
Ah.
One second. One second, Preeti.
हाँ माताजी.
Connecting problem is showing. Wait for a minute. What happened is share content. Something happened for this 1 second. We are having problem in the sharing part. Okay, don't go anywhere. I'll call Manoj sir. So we are facing some problems. 1 second.